All right. Hello, everybody, and welcome to The Price of Patience, day 15. Tonight, we are looking at the aftermath of a market that has been consolidating for quite some time. For quite some time. I'm going to have to go to the hourly chart to really get the full scope of what's going on right now. So, it all started with this drop. Okay. We were on this incredible rally upwards. We gave pretty much most of the rally back right there. Just came right back down. All right. And then we took a little bit more. But then here we had a huge volume spike, unlike anything we'd seen before. Buyers were defending this level so much that the volume profile here is looking like ridiculous. Which led me to believe there's no reason for me to expect the market to go any lower than this. Buyers are super excited about getting in right there. Let me see if I can measure something here. I want to measure. Is there a measure? Maybe not. Oh, maybe not. All right, it's like 12 midnight for me right now, so excuse me. It's been a long day already. But I do want to catch some trades. I have a few accounts I need to make some more money on. I'm almost past one of my evals. I'd almost blown one, but I brought it back to life. Um, so that felt pretty good. That felt pretty good. All right. So what I'm seeing right now is I don't really see us going below this level here. The lowest I would expect us to go, maybe back to here, but that would be an excellent entry. The 200s was an excellent entry. But why? Why? When I look back, I just want to see what is the next level we could come to. So that would be here. I got to zoom out a little bit more just to make sure, but I'm pretty sure this was part of the magnificent rally upwards above and beyond all-time highs prior to it. So here we go. I'm just going to put this here to remind myself that is the next level of consolidation resistance, if you will. Yep. Go far and wide to the left and you won't see anything like it. Okay, good. Good. I really don't see us coming down to that. I'm going to close that order before I call it a night. That's around 2,800. It's around 28,750. Around 28,750. No. 27,750. All right. So I don't expect us to. No, 27,950. All right, I'm all over the place, but yeah, it's around 27,950 or 27,940. Um, I don't expect us to see that low, but if we do, that would be the absolute bottom I would expect to see. Um, okay. Could always go to that next level after that too, right here. 27,613. Another 300 points and another 300 points. Okay. So down, of course, we know we can go up and above all-time highs. Um, so for that, let me get back in here, zoom in a little bit. Come on. Okay. Okay. Computer's lagging, so just bear with me, but TA really quick and just kind of see what there is to look at. That wish I can close that. All right, from what I've been observing, I've been seeing that the market is fighting between a double bottom, have a bullish bias. I already kind of have a bullish bias. If we can break this low, then I just kind of told you where I think we're going to go. And there's such a long way down. Catch hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It's the legendary time for futures traders because you can make so much money so easily. It's just so many points in a session. Like the ATR is crazy right now. The volatility is outrageous. I mean, I'm gonna close Volumetrica. This is a I might get back into that. The CME group contest, actually I'll probably close this. I was in 130th place, took a bad trade, took a L. I'm probably gonna full port this account tonight because it's the last day of the contest. Oh no, it's not. I mean, there's 2 days left. So but I'm probably gonna full port it anyway. Just because for the session I am not really anywhere. So at one point I was up my account was above 30,000 on the 25K account, which is pretty admirable, I must say. But yeah, I didn't close the trade in profit. I let a lot of the profits get clawed back. And then I took one bad trade and I was back at pretty much break even. So that was that. I'm gonna close this one. This is a finishing out the CME group contest because I started it. I'm gonna finish it. First place is the most profit. And I'm just waiting for this to load. This is not going my way. See if there's any background processes I can close to speed this up. My computer is struggling right now. And I'm having a hard time loading things right now. I'm just gonna have to close this for now. I having some technical difficulties, but we are gonna get this on TA. Okay. I think I am able to move around and trade now. Let's try switching the time frame. Okay, this is what I've been trying to do. Okay, any day now. Okay, 16 windows. All right, I know which one that is. I only have two windows open. Must be like little plugins or something. And let's add that. That'll help a little. Okay, I really think that's everything. We're doing okay. All right, good. So let's get to some TA. I think we are finally getting my computer to behave today. So we're going to start off by looking at the 4 hour. All right, for those of you, it's your first time looking at my charts. The blue line is always going to be, that's right, the 9 EMA. And the kind of yellow goldish line, that is going to be the 14 SMA, which also happens to be the middle of the Bollinger Band. The middle of the Bollinger Bands is typically the 14 SMA. Depending on your settings, the default settings would usually put it that way. And as you can see, the trend, when it was in an uptrend, really respected both the 9 and the 14. The only one you might want to add to this is the 21 for deep pullbacks. The 21 is a really good EMA to have. That's the 21 EMA, not the SMA. So right now we're in a kind of downtrend on the 4 hour that is respecting the 9 EMA. So even if we do see what on the lower time frames is looking to become a higher high, we have to be mindful of this level. This candle will close in 1 hour and 38 minutes and some seconds. So for the next hour and 30 something minutes, the level to watch is 28,839. That is a major point of resistance. We can even wick above that. And even if we go to 2930, we are still on watch for a potential rejection. If we can close a 4 hour candle above 2930, we need to see a continuation. Idea 291, 291.75. What was that? 29, 29, looking good to have reclaimed the uptrend day
72. I'm gonna try to take my word, and when I get my account, actually go by what I'm saying
Let's
and not
go.
rush into the market.
Yeah, I did it yesterday again, so I have to remind myself.
All
Yeah.
right, yeah, we are live.
Okay, okay, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. I
Good
mean, good
evening.
good
Excuse
evening.
me.
Yeah, yesterday was really choppy.
Yeah.
I had some success, but I had to change my strategy to
I'm
kind
gonna
of
try to take
adjust.
my word.
What happened?
No, nothing. It's just the sound came through on the stream, so all good.
Okay, very good, very good. Yeah, we should be good now.
Yeah,
So
we good.
I tried Google Meet, but apparently that's a little bit more. It requires more of your computer, like more
Yeah,
memory. So
because you started sounding like a robot at some point.
yeah, my computer was struggling to keep it
Hmm.
alive. So
Okay,
um,
okay,
Zoom seems to work a lot better. Right now, you are, pretty much broadcasting on the stream. So I
okay,
was
okay.
I was trying to do some TA, and I really didn't get too far. So
Well, one thing is obvious, what we were saying yesterday, right? 4 hours, we had this huge week to the downside. We filled it. That's it. That's what we said yesterday that we'd like to see, right? So, um, right now, well, I don't see much, but 4 hours now looks like it wants to make some bull dips with market cipher. 2 hours, pretty much the same. Two nice momentum waves. Higher lows price action did here like a lower low. Um, yeah, 30 minutes has some kind of a flag here, bull flag. I guess 15, yeah, 15 minutes too. So I would expect higher from here.
yeah, I'm looking at the same thing. I was just trying to before I started sounding like a robot. I was trying to say it looks like we're trying to kind of approach this 4 hour nine EMA. And
Yeah,
as of now, I would expect to reject that 9 EMA, but we could also go to the 14 EMA and then reject that. Um, but if we can close above the 14 EMA, or I'm sorry, the 14 SMA, I would like to see us stay above that for a few 4 hour candles before I really start to believe in the uptrend.
yeah,
Because in the 4 hour, we're just printing lower highs. And that's indicative of a downtrend. So
that
what
is
what it looks
true.
like we're doing, we could just be building the momentum that we need to push through this huge support level. But I hope not. I think that we're gonna go up.
And I'm just checking the weekly. Weekly just bounced from the 9 EMA.
It's a good sign.
Weekly. So,
Um.
All right, so I'm gonna go to the 1 hour,
All right.
and the 1 hour is trying to go bullish. I do want
I'll
to
be
see
right
a
back.
higher high. All right, here, cool. I do want to see a higher high here. Now that my thing's behaving.
1 hour. Above 29 160.
Yeah,
Or,
I do want to see a higher high above 29 259.
mhm,
If we can do that on the 1 hour, I'll be happy. But that's right around that 4 hour 9 EMA. So a double top after this double bottom would really confuse the heck out of me.
yeah,
So we're in kind of like an area where the buyers and sellers are going to have a pretty nice fight between 28,264 and 29,200. Like this 1,000 range, there's plenty of money to be made in the range. If it just wants to range, I'll take it. But Um, there's also a trend line that we were in before that broke, and it's actually acting as resistance. So we can come in touch with that trend line right at around 28,850. I'd like to see how that reacts as well. All right. So that's everything I got right now. I'm trading 5 accounts tonight, so I'm probably
Ooh,
just doing like
you went all
just
in.
just doing with micros for the most part. Nothing too crazy. I'm really close to passing one eval and two others I'm doing well on. And then two of them not doing so well on. But not the end of the world.
Okay, okay.
I just
Okay. So let's focus on those that needs to be passed, huh?
yeah. Yeah, those that's the focus. I'm not seeing like any clean setups right now. Um at least on higher time frames. So I guess on lower time
Yeah.
frame I can scalp, 10, 15 points here and there. It's
Mm,
probably the best I'll get. I mean, I can get a 75 pointer in. It's really all I need.
mm. Just took two losses very quickly. I thought we're gonna break out. Um,
I'll wait for a retest of the 9
yeah.
EMA. 9 EMA is being respected on the 15 minutes. So
Yeah,
it's being
I noticed five was also quite.
so it's ideal to just give what the market is giving right now. It's giving nice bounces off of the 9 EMA.
How was your day yesterday? All good?
It was pretty good. It was pretty good. I pretty much just been working. Got a lot of new products on the website, so a lot of people are tapping in. It's a pretty good week for business. I saw the scary movie. I think it was Scary Movie 5.
Ah, okay, the new one or the old one?
Yeah, the new one. The new one with the
Mm.
Wayans Bros and all that.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. Shaquille O'Neal was in it. Pretty interesting. It's pretty good. So nothing too crazy. You got anything big going on this week?
This week, not really. Not really, to be honest.
They not filming any movies out there?
No, no, no. I guess not yet.
Not yet.
It's come after the summer, not before.
Yeah.
We did. We did actually. I mean, I did not. I wasn't shooting anything, but they actually did a bunch of movies around here.
Hmm.
Mm. Uh,
It'd be just my luck when I decide to go long off the 9 EMA. It doesn't respect it anymore, but I'm waiting for it.
yeah, I'm ready to go long here too. Uh,
Yeah, for the
really,
breakout.
really.
I'm gonna go light. Earlier during New York session, I caught several 50 to 75 point trades.
Okay,
Worked
lovely.
out really well. All right, here we go. Price is basically there.
Order filled.
I'm in. Just got one micro. Not looking for anything crazy.
It sounds smart. It sounds smart.
Yeah, I'd like to get this account above 26,000, then we'd only need 500 more to pass the eval.
And where is it now? It's in drawdown or in profit?
It's 25 too.
Okay, okay.
Percent profits, but there's the daily end of day trailing drawdown. I think my closing balance was 25.5. So I think I'm in
Uh-huh.
like $300 of daily drawdown, but
Okay.
still pretty close to the goal.
Okay, okay.
All right, we're now in profit on this trade.
Yes, sir. Good call. Good call. That was nice.
Yeah, if we can break out of this thing, then we can break out of this high. It'd be a new high of the session.
I need 763.
All right, here we go.
There we go. Nice. Nice.
Going for the ride right now. All right, and I'm just gonna take. Wish I had more contracts so I could scale out, but I'm about to take gains right there. That was
Order
25
filled. Order
pips.
filled.
Few more points. Lovely trade. I'm out. I will close it. I all it will continue now. Where I am 350. Okay, 150 more. I need
Mm-hmm.
I should have waited. I should have been more patient here.
It kept going for sure.
Mm, those few moves that I needed, nothing else. What did I say? Few moves, few points. And now we'll see. This was a mistake. Now I open 1-2-1. Okay. I don't feel proud with what I just did because we caught the perfect trade.
Yeah, it was perfect bounce to the nine. There's more where that came from though.
Mm,
I think we got a couple of those in this session. I'm trying to decide, do I want to copy trade on any of these accounts or not? And
that's always a good question.
yeah, I'm leaning towards not right now because it's not like a trending market. So my strategy today is quantity, not quality trades,
Mm, okay. Okay.
because I have a 5-to-1. So I can lose three trades and win one and still profit. So
Yeah.
right now I just made enough money to cover two stop losses.
That's
And
smart. Yeah, and now you can just use the what you already made.
yeah. All right, we've officially made a higher high on the lower time frames.
It'd be nice to see one more push here.
Yeah, the 4 hour 9 EMA, at least until 2 o'clock Eastern time, is gonna be at 28,880 roughly. So we have another 100 points till we get
100
there.
points from here, yeah.
So that's kind of something I think is a good target. Next pullback to the 9 EMA, I'm gonna go long again, especially if we can get a pullback on the 15 minute to the 9 EMA. But there has to be somewhere where buyers take a major stand because the volume profile is really leaning closer to where that big wick down was.
Still.
Yeah. Yeah. So that bothers me a little bit,
Okay.
because
Well,
it's a magnet.
excellent. Oh wow, it just took my profit and it came back down. I'm basically at 470, so I think I'm done. I don't need to make another 30 bucks here.
Oh, that's good.
It was, well, thank you.
Yeah, consistency is key, man.
Yeah, I just don't want. I had, I believe, four 470, 490 yesterday, 520, and now 470. I think that's okay for the consistency. I need to have like this 50%. I think I should be fine with this.
Mhm.
And I went mhm, heavy with the evaluation account, and now it's just taking it slow.
Yeah. All right, your screen is live now. All right, well, yeah, I mean, I have got these five evals, man, and I think I want to I'm leaving alone the one that is closest to passing until I see like a really good trade. And I kind of want to, I'm not gonna lie. I made 900 bucks on like three micros the other day or
Yeah,
yesterday.
yeah.
Just and I think that was like a 150 point trade on NASDAQ. It's crazy. So I'm banging out these really long trades with a very small amount of contracts, and it's just like, you know, it's giving me
They are
confidence
paying.
to keep going. Yep.
Okay, there we go. 505 for the day, that's it. My target was 500 anyway originally, so that's it. I'm done. I'm done. Bro, I love this week. This week has been just amazing. These
And
morning sessions.
that's good.
Yesterday I made a mistake on options. If I'm honest, I lost some money. Um but I had a vision too that because I knew that I did not execute well, so um, I realized I should just do the same as here last couple of days. So yeah, on to the next one. New day, new opportunities, right?
Mhm. Yeah, the only options I played yesterday was and I fell asleep on it. I wasn't really that serious about it, but I was like, all right, well, let me make a bet that SPY is gonna go back to 738 after the drop. And I took a nap. I woke up, checked the price. It was nowhere near there. It was a $10 bet.
Okay, not crazy.
Nothing crazy. I'm still in leaps. I actually bought some more leaps on Poet, bought some more leaps on AMC. So now AMC leaps are up 15% right now. Mm, it's about the only thing going good. I have Nokia leaps that I'm down on like 60%.
Lips for when? 27?
27.
Yeah, I think you should be good on those.
Yep, yep, yep. I really want to average down on the Nokias, and I'm going to average down on more of these Poet $40 calls for January 2027. I'm down like 50% on those, but I want to buy like eight of them. So I have this old iPhone. I'm gonna sell the iPhone and buy Leaps.
Yeah, smart.
Hmm. So, what y'all
Think
think?
lips always paid me better than zeros, but
Not always. All right. The
no,
reason
not
you,
always. Okay, you're right. Not always, but in my case, more often.
yeah, yeah, more often they're good as long as you stick to them for sure.
Yeah. Even if they were like down like 40, 50, 70%, then eventually they came back to life.
Yep. Time is the cheat code when it comes to options, man. Like if you were to say that you wanted to take profit at 30,000 on NQ and you had a year to do it, you wouldn't worry about it.
Yeah.
How could you? All right. So now,
Bro, just for the record, I think You can share your screen because I mean I'm done.
Oh yeah, you're done for the man. All right, cool.
With the trade, so I don't know. We can discuss some things. I can go through some charts. But if you're in the trade, let's do that first.
All right. Yeah, I'm still waiting on a pullback right now. Let me get back here. I mean that trade off the nine was that was epic. We'd be up 75 points if I was just stayed in
Mm-hmm.
that one trade, but I didn't expect it to break out. I doubted it, and it showed me don't doubt us because we can really do things. All right, cool. So let me show everybody what I got going on here. This is my account closest to passing the eval right now, 26,000. Already made $1,000 on this account. Just need to make four
Nice.
hundred and
That's nice.
eighty-five dollars to pass. Yeah. So 500 bucks. Definitely pass this one, and then Apex will give me my certificate again, saying I have passed another eval. I got to sign the agreement, make the final payment, um, then just work on getting a payout. So it'll probably be a end of the week or next week thing because I know Apex does a consistency thing once you're funded. So I just have to take my time.
Yes, sir. And you said those are with Lucid, right? The accounts.
These are with
Or I'm
Apex.
tripping. Oh, with Apex. End of day, you said. Okay, so you can pass them in one day.
Oh, I can pass these. Yeah, I can pass these in one day.
Okay, okay.
So I
I
could
like
pass.
that. I mean, I like that because why not, right? If the market
Yeah.
gives you the opportunity, why not? In the process of getting funded, I blew a couple of accounts and then I got funded on three. So, well, that was my choice, right? I did not go slow on evaluations. Like all three accounts I funded in 1 day.
Yeah, I mean, I constantly bang out like 50-point trades and stuff like that. So honestly,
Mm.
I could pass most of these in one trade.
In one
But
trade, yeah, not 1 day, but one trade, yeah, true.
yeah, yeah. I mean, I passed 150K accounts in two trades. So
Yeah, yeah,
it
crazy. Yeah.
definitely be done.
But
It's really just for
patience,
me practice and
the
patience. Yeah.
patience you had for that, like to pass the 150K in two trades, that's um, just amazing, if you ask me.
It's exemplary.
Because yeah, because I did not in 1 day. No, I mean in 2 days I did pass the 150 once, but it was scalping, like scalping money. It was not two trades.
Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Then I messed it up because I was trying out a new strategy. Note to self: don't try out a new strategy on a funded account.
Uh,
Try that out on paper trading or try it out on an eval. But yeah, probably not the best idea to try a new strategy on a funded account. But I did. I
yeah,
did.
definitely not the smartest thing to do. Or
Yep.
I mean, it's not stupid, but it's just too risky.
It's yeah, exactly. The risk is unless you just there's some people who treat evals like lotto tickets and they're just like, all right, I'm gonna full port it, I'll pass
Yeah,
it or
and
I'll
whatever
fail. Yeah.
happens, yeah, okay. If you have a strategy for the funded account and you know that with the funded account you can get several payouts and cover those lotto tickets, I guess that works too, right? Um, but you just go almost full port without stop loss and that's it.
No, I used to trade with Jack, and the first time Jack ever traded futures, like
Uh-huh.
literally the first time he ever traded futures, he had like three funded accounts in a few hours. And it's
I,
like it's so hard
uh,
to trade with that guy because he inspires you to like be your best trader, but at the same time, try and keep up with him.
yeah,
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 you could blow some
yeah,
shit. You
yeah,
could blow some shit.
yeah. I understand what you're saying, yeah, But then you just take the first thing you say, you know. It just pushes you to be better you.
Hmm.
And it's difficult. But I will tell you, I completely lost the sense of like value for money with all these numbers that we are making.
Yeah.
You know, you do 100 here, 200 there, 700. I'm not taking profits because I want to see 1,000. I'm down 250, yeah, whatever. I blow the account. Okay, fine, you know. And then I realized, you know, like, I don't even know what two, 300 is. $500 a day.
Yeah,
Here
it's
people
pretty
are working
insane.
for 1,500, 1,700 a month.
Yeah, it's insane, bro. I go to pay my rent, and it's like how much I make on like half of what I make on a trade sometimes. It's
See,
crazy.
it is crazy, yeah. It is crazy. So yeah, that was a note. I wrote a note like, be careful, like think about the value. What can I get myself with that money, right? Or
Yeah.
what could I get? Making now. I'm not doing this to buy myself things right now, but it's like just what could I have bought today with the profits?
So many things. Yeah. That's a good
Or
way to
not
think
even
about
buy,
it.
but well, how many bills I could have paid, you know, like phone and all the subscriptions and everything else. Well,
I feel like I do a lot of good trading when I just imagine the
mm-hmm.
profits that I have for the day is actual cash.
Oh yeah,
And it's like, do I really want to risk all this or do it? It's almost like there
yeah.
used to be this show on, it's called like Deal or No Deal. And you open up a suitcase and the suitcase has a certain amount of money in it, and you can walk
Mm-hmm.
away with that money right now or open another suitcase.
And who knows what's inside, right?
Exactly. So yeah, I kind of feel like that sometimes. It's like I could walk away right now and right now I made $50. I can walk away or do I open another suitcase? So
Mm-hmm.
I just opened another suitcase.
For $50, we usually open another one.
Yeah. It's kind of tough
Oh,
to walk away with $50. I've seen 4,500 and I've seen too many numbers in these
Order
suitcases to
filled.
walk
yeah.
away with $50.
Yeah, I even once told myself like, okay, like to make bunch of money long term, you need 100 bucks per hour because I'm not able to find a job that pays 100 bucks an hour. And in here, it's not that difficult to make 100 an hour, right? But to walk away for that hour and come the next hour is the difficult part.
Hmm. I think it all starts to make more sense when you start scaling accounts. Like
Yeah.
for me, like I don't know why it's just every time I get there, something in my brain chemistry changes. But
Yes.
when you have multiple funded accounts and you're just making like a couple hundred a day on those, that's a great amount of money.
Yeah. Literally, you need to do only the target that gives you a profitable day on the prop firm.
Yeah, like how easy would it be to just get 250 a day for 6 days, and that's $1,500,
Yeah.
and do that on 5 accounts. Every 6 days, you get what's that, 1,250 a day. It
Yeah.
sounds so good,
Yeah.
but yeah, I'd never aim that low. I'd be like, all right, yeah, no,
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Exactly.
go for thousands of dollars a day. Why
Yeah.
not?
That's what I'm saying. I lost the value completely.
Hmm. All right, so we had another beautiful bounce off the 9 EMA on this one. So I'm opening suitcase number two. I'm about to
Okay.
close it because this account that I'm trading is hundreds of, it's only $100 away from being blown.
Hmm.
I only lose 200 bucks on this thing. And I'm up a percentage of that. So I'm going to take it. If I can just get a $30 profit, I'll take it. All right. Am I going to lose it?
do you when you come this close to blowing the account, do you lose like the motivation to actually bring back the account, or it gives you more motivation?
Um, I feel like it gives me more motivation, but it's more like, I want to get my money's worth. This account, I may have to take my time with it, but I still want to get a return on my investment,
Mhm.
So that's kind of how I think of it. Like I had an account that was down to 24,500, and then I took a trade and it was down to 24,400, and I was like, shit, this account's 400 away from being blown. So what I did was I took a trade and I made 900 on the next trade. I brought it back, and it's the best feeling in the world when it's like
Yeah,
I just basically
yeah.
reset my account.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it is.
I've had days where I wake up and I'm just like, fuck it, I'm gonna full port, and if it works, it works.
Think we all had those days.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I would like to erase those days off my calendar or something. Like, I wonder what I can do to just make that side of me just not show itself in front of these charts,
Yeah.
bro. 'Cause
Miss
I
B
got so
talked
many
about that,
accounts.
about those emotions that we wake up in ourselves with all this
Hmm.
PNL going up and down, and yeah, to control that, that's the trickiest part in this game.
It is.
But I will tell you what, I noticed we are doing much better than we did 3 weeks ago, than we did last week, so I think that's good.
Yeah, there's progress. Certainly progress. Uh, all right, I'm risking $20 here, and I would like to make more than that. 1 to 1 is who does 1 to 1? Come
Good.
on,
Yeah.
it's not really my thing.
Yeah, mine
Unless
either.
I'm
All the people are making crazy money with 1 to 1.
absolutely
Consistent 1 to 1.
consistent 1 to 1. If you have a good win rate, then 1 to 1 is completely fine. Um, this 9 EMA bounce thing, it's usually pretty good win rate. I would say it's a 60% win rate. So 1 to 1 could be acceptable, but
Yeah.
uh, I like the 5 to 1 so much better because a good bounce off the 9 EMA is going to give you a nice amount of points. But I only risk $20 per micro. So 10 micros, I'm risking 200, but yeah, I'm letting this thing go. And that first trade, that was a nice push. I
It
wish
was
I had.
uh it was a lovely trade.
It was lovely. That was the breakout, but now we're doing
Yeah.
a secondary breakout. Like it.
We're retesting the breakout. So
Yeah. Yeah, that's what we're doing. And usually when it makes me be patient like this, I don't know, it's a 50-50 chance. It's always a 50-50 chance, right? See,
yeah.
it's gonna go up or down. So let me
Yeah,
just chill out.
it's gonna go right.
Like shit, I'm only risking $20, so it's not the end of the world if it stops me out. But uh waiting all this time. It's at the point where it's like I feel like it owes me money. Okay, we're back. We're back at $20. Okay. Oh, said don't get too excited. Coming right
Yeah.
back down. Okay, we are above a 1 to 1. Can I get a 2 to 1? No. All right. are at a about to be stopped out
Stop filled.
and stopped out. All right.
Okay.
Well, we're at the 14 SMA. So I'm going to switch accounts. I like to rotate them. Try not to trade back to back on the same account. All right. And if that one failed, may this one succeed. Let's go.
Order filled.
What is your take? You think the markets are risk off or risk on at this point, or we still need to see what happens with the SpaceX IPO?
I think it all revolves around that, to be honest. I'm still in the camp that we've seen the bottom.
Hmm.
And until they can prove to me that we can really close like a daily candle under the low that we already posted recently, then I'm in the camp that it's really up from here. Now SpaceX could take a lot of people's money, but that's a liquidity event. I think a
Yeah.
lot of people invest in SpaceX. That IPO is going to go up for a short period of time
Yeah.
before it goes down. I think that'll be a catalyst for everything to go up with it. And then when SpaceX sells off, the people who make money in that are going to diversify. That's another liquidity event. So
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I see it all as a catalyst to push the market to new highs all over again. Someone just bought nine. There was a lot of options flow on $900 calls on SPY.
Oh wow. Okay. Usually was a bullish indication.
Mhm. Never really know, but that's why I'm just buying time because I don't really trust that it's gonna work out the way I want it to. But one thing's for sure: when this war is finally over, they're saying we got maybe the end of the summer for that to happen. Then okay, maybe we'll be able to see this market hit that 900. Oh, geez.
Yeah, I think the once the war is like officially ended, that will be just another catalyst to go higher.
Mhm. Yeah, so I'm just buying all the things that I really think will benefit a lot once that plays out. Like by the end of the year, I'm thinking long term. And I really want to take profits in like December, January. So
Yeah, that's
I think I'll appreciate all the purchases I'm making now by December, by Christmas time. So
wait a minute, your birthday is this week, you said.
yep, literally a week from today
Oh,
to
okay, okay.
Thursday. So next Thursday will be my birthday.
Mm.
I'll be 36, 36 trading for 3 years. Been a
Okay,
business analyst for like 7 years.
okay,
Very
that's
nice.
nice. That's nice. Nice stats.
Nice stats. Trying to get my first five payouts before the end of the year.
We are getting there.
Mhm.
Oh,
My stop is at 732, so we got a little bit to go. It's crazy. I was up, but this is leading me to believe we're gonna come. Let me see what the 15-minute 9 EMA is at. I'm still I'm still a
720.
believer. What's that? What do you got?
720, 15 minute, 9 EMA is at 28,
7.
720.
Okay, 720. We got some time then. We got a little bit of room. Interesting. My stop is at 32, so if I get stopped out here,
Okay, but we have a 10 minute, 9 EMA at 35, so let's see.
Stop filled.
I ain't stopped out. Here's 35 right here. We're probably gonna get a quick bounce. I'm gonna take a little bit on this bounce. short the bounce or long the bounce? That is the question. I think I want to short this thing. Yep.
Order filled.
You know what I don't like? I just checking the bigger time frames, and on 2-day time frame, we are making how the candle combo where you have a big engulfing candle, then a doji, and then usually another big
Order
candle in
filled.
the first direction, right?
Mm-hmm.
And 2 candles ago we had a big bearish candle. Last candle was a green doji, a big doji, and if this was a 15-minute time frame, I would say we are coming lower. And we are closing this candle in 15 hours, so today. Um, so just a thought that we might actually come lower still. But then on 4 hours, this looks very much like something we discussed yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
That we can come down, fix the wick
Order
that we had,
filled.
and bounce from here. So we might chop around on smaller time frames, but this doesn't look bad.
Mm.
It doesn't look perfect yet. It's not perfect yet, as you said. We need to take the highs. We have to make the higher high. But I think we are on a good way to do so.
Okay, my shit is freezing like crazy. All right, I'm taking profit. I went heavy, did 10 contracts, which is heavy for these little accounts, and
Order filled.
made a profit.
Order filled.
Made a profit on 2 trades back to back. So that was cool. I just brought this account from 25,200 to 25,500. That's 300 in profit.
That's lovely.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave this one alone. Get some small trade winners for. You know what? I just don't like this lag right now. So I'm gonna size down.
You have something more open than you do than you have usually, or
No, it's the same as normal. I just think, well, maybe no, it's the same as normal. Normally, I have, oh man, I should. Fuck, this thing is pushing. With that 15-minute EMA, it is pushing. Man, if I can get back in the 20s, I want to go long. I was trying to get
oh
on the right account in time, but it's
yeah,
not
but
trying
we
to work.
just touched the 15-minute 9 EMA. Yeah,
Yeah, that's where I went long for 10 contracts. I made $200. I'd be up even more now. Sheesh.
but interesting conference again. Like the 9 EMA was below the 20s. That means it gives you a bounce from the
Oh, it's the
20s.
20s, the 20s again. Yeah, that's interesting. I
Yeah.
forgot about that. Come on down. All right. Can we come down just a little bit? Just a little bit. It said
Not,
no. No, we.
not sure.
I just want to see the 20s again. Really want to go long in the 20s.
You can go
And
short. You can go long here and stop loss at 728 too. 728.
my
If I
deep.
was scalping, I would do it that way. But again, don't do something that I would do.
Yeah, I might have missed my entry. But usually we do get something that kind of get revisits. I just
Every
don't
time
think
we
it's.
said it went without us, we eventually got a pullback.
Yeah, exactly.
Even if we move higher from here, we will come down um, to make another higher low, which will provide another entry.
This thing is gone. There we go. There we go. Okay. That's what I'm talking. Yes, here we go. All right, I'm in
Order
one
filled.
contract. I'm gonna add. Oh no, I'm not. No, the fuck, I'm not gonna add to it. Yeah, this account's $40 from being blown, so can't be going too crazy on this.
Mm.
Let's see. Was I patient enough? Are we bringing this account back from the dead or putting the nail in the coffin? Let's see.
Mm.
I got 2 shots. To stop me out, they got to get to 716.
Okay.
716.75.
There you have some room.
Yeah, I got a little money. I think I'll be fine though. This is actually a pretty good setup. I just was a little hasty and there was some lag. Wanted to get in the 20s. It got me in at 730. I don't appreciate it, but
You
I
went
actually don't
with
mind.
market or limit?
Market.
Mm-hmm.
So here I'm gonna get in another trade
Order
on
filled.
another account. I'm gonna just let that one play out because you know it's fine.
And yeah, if you're going in now on the other account, your risk to reward is even better.
Yeah, exactly. So now I'm in this trade on 2 accounts with a 10-point stop and a 75-point target. It's my default.
75, that brings us back to 800, right?
Yep,
Okay.
798.50.
Very, 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 very possible.
And if I get that, that'll bring my account that's about to be dead all the way up
Tell me, do
to.
you target your TP? I'm sorry, I did not want to interrupt.
No, what are you saying?
No, your TP and stop loss, you do just the points or like dollar amount?
I do the points. I
Mm.
do pretty much 13 points for a stop and 75 points for a TP.
Okay.
So it's 5-1 most of the time. And we're cooking. We are in green on both trades.
Late night cooking session.
Yeah, man. Cooking up some NQ. Cooking with NASDAQ. Cooking with NASDAQ.
You just gave me the idea for the song.
I don't like this consolidation at the lows, but it's cool. Usually, when there's a bounce off the 15-minute, it does take a while to catch wind. I think like buyers wait for a candle close that shows we're going to respect it and then they step in. So I'm going to hold on. And worst case, it stops me out. It's $20. But it is the first touch of the 15. So I think it's going to be epic. This is usually the trade that I would go in to try and get 4,500 on with 3 minis. So that being said, I think it's only right I open this trade on another account since we keep coming towards break even and respecting it. Okay. I like the idea of let's do 2 contracts this time. Oh, we are getting low. We're getting low.
Order filled.
Okay. All right. Jeez. I'm in on 3 accounts.
Right, I'm back.
Los finally made it back. What up,
Just
though?
just in time to see my shorts print, huh?
You might be. You think it's about to? We're about to get some collapsing right here. Like market's about to drop.
I was expecting it to come to the 840s at least, but well, actually we were pretty close, huh?
Yeah, I have 880 on my radar. I was hoping we go to 880 and then drop, but whatever's clever, bro. I mean, if Low says it's time to
880.
drop,
Oh yeah, hey, that 880 is right on, bro. That's a 800 on the 1 hour for me.
that's confluence. I'm seeing the only reason I chose 880 is for the
Mm-hmm.
4 hour 90 MA.
And your 80 20s?
The 880. Oh wow, shit. I'm cooking right
No,
now.
I'm talking about your 80s 20s strategy.
Oh, the 80/20 strategy. You know what? I
Yeah.
didn't even think about that. That's a third confluence. That's crazy. So yeah, I
Yeah,
would be
but he is
really
long from 20s.
yeah, I'm long right now from a 20.
Mm, okay.
Long from a 20 and I'm
Well,
long on three accounts.
so what I can see on the last 10-minute candles, I got my level 718 and we rejected off that level twice already. But I do think we're gonna end up breaking it. We're breaking this little trend line here slowly but surely. Well, nah, I don't want to call it break it, but
We'll see. Right now I got three trades in right now. I'm just letting them cook. Um, Scalp it if we're gonna keep just going sideways all fucking day. It's crazy. But who knows? I'll just let it do its thing because it's if we get a crazy breakout, I'll be pissed off I closed it. I have a good
hmm.
entry. A pretty good entry.
I'm pretty happy because I'm going back home again.
Hey, what's
Just for
up?
the weekend, but I mean, it's something.
About to say.
Our hours are cut down to 50 hours this week, which we come out at like half a like 2 o'clock on Friday, and then stay all of Friday, Saturday, Sunday with nothing to do. So I'm just gonna go home, man.
What's
What
up?
am I gonna do here,
What you and the fam gonna do when you get back?
man? I'm trying to go to the beach, maybe, but probably not a good time because apparently there's really uh, uh like the waves are apparently pretty dangerous right now in California, like 20-foot waves apparently.
Oh, wow.
A little girl went missing or something like that. I read. So we'll probably change plans. Just see what to do. My girl wants to go to this water park, take the kids, and definitely gonna watch the fights on Friday on Saturday. UFC fights.
There's the fight in the White House, right?
Correct. Yeah, definitely not gonna miss that. So I'll probably grill on Saturday or some food, or maybe my wife make something.
You're gonna follow the
Uh,
World Cup, or you're just look watching like?
yeah, for sure. Yeah, World Cup too. But I'll stay limited to all that except the Saturday night fights. Because, I mean, I only have a few days, so I want to spend some with my family.
Hmm.
And then I'm hoping this is the last time I got to fly out there before I can just drive home. And I'm looking for a different job, or not the same trait, but a different company that is more local to me.
We won't tell that to your boss.
What is that?
We won't tell that to your boss, I said.
Oh, that's fine, man. I'm gonna tell him myself. Shit. Last time, this 3 days ago, well, actually Monday, I sent them my because they have to pay for my flight for the last time I went. for like all my expenses, and I gave him the receipt, and I just texted to him, and I asked him when I saw him, I'm like, "Did you get my receipts?" And I guess he was having a bad morning. He's like, "Yeah, the receipts that you sent me when I was driving and carrying water." Like, well, I don't know what you were doing when I texted you. All I asked is if you received my text. That's it. Next time I'll call you before see what you're doing before I text you, I guess. And he just laughed, man. And then like, no, just trying to get. He was onto something, I guess. He was taking care of. He had some issues, and like, man, I just socked the panel. It's insulated panel, like sheet metal. I just socked the shit out of it, and I was like, well, I can just sock the shit out of this panel and just go home, huh? He just laughed again. I'm just looking for excuse to go home right now, bro. Don't get me started. I don't give a fuck.
Sounds like you found your excuse though. You got the weekend. Go
Yep,
visit the
tomorrow.
kids. Get at the water park. That sounds like a vibe, bro.
Yeah, I was gonna say tomorrow, but it's actually not tomorrow. But Friday, I'm gonna walk in and work like I'm sick because my flight is at 12 in the afternoon. I'm gonna just show up to work like I'm sick, and I'm like I'm not feeling good, and I'm gonna take off like at 6 because I gotta drive. I gotta drive like almost 3 hours to Portland.
Yeesh.
Yeah, because that's what sucks about this damn place too. There's no airports near me. It's either that or Boise, Idaho.
Boise,
So
Idaho. That's crazy.
yeah, man, which is about the same distance. But yeah,
Sounds like fun, man. I miss road trips. It's been a while since I've been on a road trip. I remember one time, me and my boy, we drove all the way to California. It's my boy Leo. He's like El Salvadorian, right? It's my homeboy. We've been cool for a minute.
hmm
We drove all the way to California and all the way back from California. It's crazy. It's super long.
from where? Where you at?
From Washington, D.C.
Oh, that what is that? 40, like 36, 40 hours or what?
It's like 40 hours, bro. It's like 2 days.
Man,
Yeah. And I'm
how how
so
long how long did it take you guys to actually get here?
yeah, it was like we drove straight there. Like
Oh, really?
anytime like he was sleeping while I was driving and vice versa. And like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
anytime he was getting tired, he was like, D, I'm getting tired, we're gonna have to pull over. I was like, all right, bet. I'm driving because I'm cool, man. I done drove to Florida by myself. I done drove to a lot of
Mm,
places by myself from DC. Like, so
yeah,
I'll drive for 12 hours straight. And the only thing I'll stop for is a piss and an apple pie
yeah.
from McDonald's or something.
hmm Yeah, that's dope. I mean, road trips are cool, bro. But man, for me, California to Washington, California to Oregon got boring, got tiring. It's the same damn thing all the time, you know. At least something different. Like, but yeah, they're cool. I mean, first time, second time. After that, it's like fuck, give me something new.
Yeah, it's not the most fun thing to do, but it's something to do. It was a business trip anyway, so it turned out really good. Turned out really good. Then it didn't.
What part of Cali did you come to that time?
It's funny. We actually went to. I think we drove to San Fran, bro. So we went to L.A. first, and then we drove to San Fran. It's a long ass drive.
Okay.
I,
You
I,
got you got people out here or what?
yeah. I had people out there at the time. I don't now, but
Okay.
um, I had a homeboy in San Francisco. He would always come to the East Coast and do shows and stuff. And yeah, I came and saw him out there. And then I went to LA, and we were just like, it was our first time in LA back then. I've been there a bunch of times now, but yeah, I
hmm
was out there just checking out, like Hollywood,
Yeah.
checking out the stars and everything. That was crazy, man. And then just so many things out there. We went to the strip club.
When you say the stars, what are you talking about? Griffith Park or what?
I think isn't it
Just
like
like the
Hollywood,
observatory?
California? Isn't it Hollywood, California? You got like the stars like by the wax museum.
Oh, okay, I got you. All right, I got you. I got you. I didn't know what you meant. That's because there's a park where you can like go and look at kind of like
Oh, the
some type of space
observatory.
stuff.
Yeah.
Or, yeah, that. Okay, I got you.
Yeah. I was checking out Just checking out Hollywood stars.
Mm-hmm.
Man, this price is some poop. It's just going sideways. I think we're gonna come down. This looks like it wants to drop.
Well,
We're doing a head
that's
and
what I
shoulder.
think.
Carlos. Yeah, Carlos called the drop. How's your brother been doing, bro?
You know what? I haven't talked to my brother actually. The last time, because the last time I was pissed, uh, and I kind of texted him, so he's probably like, ah, fuck. Like I won't tell him anything no more. uh, but I mean, I wasn't pissed at him. He just told me what he was in, and I was mad because that shit just came to freaking take me out and then left. And I was like, fuck, man, like, and he sent me a text, and I just replied, yeah, I guess you just fucking came to take me out. That's really why I played. I mean, nothing against him, and maybe he just whatever. He just saw it and didn't text me back, and I haven't talked to him ever since. He
It's
probably
cool.
got. Well, I'm hoping, hoping he probably got another two payouts or so, maybe, hopefully. I
And
don't
the
know.
old man is doing well.
The old man, no, he's actually not doing very well. He
Reality check, huh?
Yeah, so he passed that 150K. I think the last update I gave you guys, he passed that 150K account. Um, and then I guess he blew it, and then I believe he hasn't bought anymore. I have asked him when he comes to me now. He's like, "Hey, are you winning or what?" That's what he always asks me. Like, "Are you up? Are you winning?" And 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 then he's like, "Look, I'm like, what I got in this, I got in that, but it's on options. He's playing options right now. He goes light, he goes like little $80 contracts, 120, something like that. And he'll be making his little 15, $20 here. Um, but I think he's been doing the opposite of everything the market's doing. He shorts the market when it's going up. And then he longs the market when
He likes to play that range.
hey, you know what? I'm gonna be back. I got my wife is calling me. I gotta be back.
Later. Yeah, I just keep going into drawdown and out of drawdown. I
Yeah,
don't know.
this is.
Stopping out for sideways for 25 minutes and counting.
Yeah,
But this is how it always is, like at this hour.
yeah. I just wanted to say that. So give it half an hour, and we might see a move.
Stop
But
filled.
you stopped now.
Stop me out finally. All
Mm.
right. On this account, let's see how we're doing on this account. Okay, I just got in drawdown on this account. Oh man, so much for that first touch of the 15-minute 9 EMA. Okay, I'm gonna exit this trade. Honestly, I might. I wish I could just press the reverse button. I might reverse this trade.
You don't have a reverse button?
Not on Trade Evade. On Ninja Trader,
Oh,
there's a reverse button.
okay, interesting.
Uh, Here we go. Here we go. Okay.
Order filled.
Taking my $1.50 on that account and here. Come on. Okay. Taking $17, $27 profit on this account. Yeah. Come on. Close it. Close it. Close it. Close it. All right. We're out. Not too bad. Not too bad. Oh,
Oh wow, what a liquidity sweep.
oh my goodness.
It just took the lows and look at it. Back up.
That's crazy work, bro. Right when I close my trade.
Order
All
filled.
right. This is how it works.
Yeah.
This is how it goes. However, I'm still interested in shorting it here. I don't know if I want to do it on this account, but
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
try it. See how it goes. And where are we at? 33, 34, 35. This account, we're going to need one contract. Just one. Just one.
All right. I apologize.
All good. Everything good at home? Family excited to see you? She
Yeah.
gonna call you and tell you, hey, the doctor got your medicine when you go into work like you're sick.
Yeah. 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 Just just she's just calling me to show me stuff the baby's doing and tell me what's stuff like that. Nothing. I just spoke to her. Uh, That's why I got on the live, chill. Because I already spoke to her, but then she called me right again.
That's what's up.
Uh,
Man, that's crazy, bro. Prices. Yeah, I think Los is right. We're gonna see a nice little pullback. I'm up a little over 10 points on this trade to the short side. Nice.
you're already in?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, I've reversed my.
I so I think I guess an entry is a nice entry after 703, but my entry is all the way down to, which I mean, I guess from here to there, obviously we can get already, you'll be up nicely already. Well, my entry is till the 84 just because I don't want to be chopping around. I believe from whenever we come down to there, we'll just come nicely down. That's why my entry is at that point.
Makes sense.
Um, that I was telling Nick, I'm just, I'm taking this week to do the simulated trading or whatever. I'm practicing like
So
taking
I
trades for better
have
setups.
some good news for you. It's already Thursday, so one more day.
Uh, one more day.
Or actually, 2 more days for you.
Wow, that's crazy.
I'll probably come in with one being ready for Sunday.
This
Probably.
lag pissing me off. Maybe it's for my own good. It's like
Wait,
I'm stuck in the.
did you say something about a head and shoulders earlier?
Yeah, you see it?
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, I see it. It's nice.
It's always deformed head and shoulders these days. It's like some Resident Evil creatures, but it's there.
Crooked shoulders.
There's a lamp this time.
I don't know what the hell is happening with this thing. Because I'm getting so much lag. I can't really exit my trade when I want. Can't get in when I want. So I just gotta set my orders and pray it doesn't hit my stop loss. So it's kind of where I'm at. I have no idea what price is doing right now. But I'm gonna make some tea. I'll come back.
Yes, sir.
Hey Nicholas, have you were out in the US not too long, right? Or am I wrong?
Yeah, in Mexico. When was it? November.
Oh, you were in Mexico.
Yeah.
Vacation or
Yeah.
nice. What part of Mexico did you go to?
Mm, I was near Cancun.
Nice, bro.
Yeah. I went to see Chichen Itza and some how do you call those halls? Ah, I cannot remember. The hall with the water in.
Yeah.
Um,
Not even I've gone to Cancun, honestly.
was it? Yeah, Cancun next to Tulum, right? In between Tulum and Cancun, is that right? Yucatan Peninsula.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's funny, like I did not know. Like Yucatan means in Mayan, like I don't understand you, right? I don't understand. Me in
That's what
Yucatan.
it means in the language you speak.
Yeah, in Mayan. No, in Mayan language.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Me in Yucatan.
I
And
didn't even know that.
when Columbo came to Mexico, the Mayan told me mean Yucatan, like I don't understand you, bro. And then he called the land Yucatan.
You know more history about Mexico than myself.
Yeah, the guy told me. My guide was named Jesus. I was like, it's not a bad thing, I guess, to have a guide whose name is
Oh,
Jesus.
okay.
But it was a cool guy. Two guys actually, and yeah, it was nice. But I like the food, bro. You have some very nice food.
Oh yeah, for
The
sure.
fruit and everything's fresh. So
You went alone or
I what?
did you go alone by
No,
yourself?
no, 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 no. But I went around alone. Um, but I don't know. I don't like flying that much, to be honest. That's, I would rather drive 12 hours than be in a plane for 12 hours.
Man, never been in a plane for that long, bro. My little flights are just the most I've been in one was I think like almost the 4 hours, but I think that was from Chicago to over here. That was when I was in Illinois. That's it.
Mm. Yeah, I don't know. Not my thing. Not my thing. Um, and to get there, it's somehow fine. But when I come back, I needed like 3 days to get back into the rhythm,
Hmm.
which was interesting to me. I never experienced that before.
How long were you out here? A week or two or what?
Yeah, 10 days. So enough time to get used to the time difference, and then fly back. What
Yeah.
is this? This 5 minute looks like it's reclaiming the EMAs. At least it wants to try. At the end, we might see a push up.
Yeah, that's why so selling Donovan, I have my entry till down there. I don't want to be in the another chop.
Yeah,
I mean,
damn chop. Yeah, really it is. Like what, for half an hour now, longer.
like look, wow. I just noticed this, but on the five, I got that level I told you guys earlier, 718, and we have not been able to get a candle close below my level, 718.
Yeah,
Um,
it was a good long entry.
yeah.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Potentially. Let's see.
I know what, I'm gonna move my entry for shorts down to
And what would be your target if you go short here?
my target.
Would you
Uh,
aim for like for lower, like the new lower low, or you would just short the pullback to a higher low?
I really always like to target my next level,
Uh,
but I don't think I've actually had a trade where I play it all the way through.
hmm.
I mean, five contracts all the way to down to my level pays me 1467.
Okay,
Um,
so that's quite low. What is your level? Down at
and that
28
is
300,
28,560.
560.
I mean,
Okay.
550, 550,
Yeah, okay, okay, I see.
2550. That's my next level.
Makes sense, makes sense.
But if I look at the 5 minute, I can see there's a lot of pivots right here, like 622. So that'd be a good exit there, 620 around that area. And that's funny. That aligns with you guys' strategy on that 2080s.
Yeah,
So
that
that's
that
probably
thing
good.
paid nice paid nicely already. Huh?
Mhm.
When you have some other confluences, this 2080 it's working.
What was that, Nick? My bad.
Well, I say when you have nice confluences, the 2080 strategy pays nicely.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's funny because I noticed that that a lot of like those levels always play rejections. I've been noticing that, or at least around the 80s, the 20s.
Yeah, and even if you go like for example in 20s and you aim for the 80s to the upside, you have like 50, 60 points for a trade, which
Mm-hmm.
is nice. If you're going short at 20s and then you're aiming for 80s below, again you have 30, 40 points, and that also can pay nice. You just need to read the market structure too. Hmm.
I mean, I think if this Head and Shoulders plays out, we're gonna get paid nicely to the downside. Are you what's your situation right now? Are you trading or are you done or
I already I made on this top that we had to the upside. I made my 500, so I'm done.
okay? And that's your funded still?
Yes, sir.
So we're in good stand that
Day
payout.
number 4 in profits.
Let's go, bro. Nice.
Yeah, I
What?
never had a 4 day streak, so this is perfect.
So 1 day away from a payout?
Well, today it will be yes. Yes, and then tomorrow I will have the fifth trading day, right?
Uh-huh.
Um, and I hope like fifth profitable day, but I
Mm-hmm.
have to also reach a target of 52,600. So if I make just 500, I think I will be shy like $100 for the payout, but everything else will be like all others
And
criteria will be filled. So I guess
and
next
if you,
week maybe. But you know
what if
what?
you make what if
What?
you make more than the 500? You'd break that
Then
40
I
that
think
consistency?
I will break my 50% consistency rule, yeah. And I went
Damn.
for 500 a day, and
Uh,
I just I sticked with it. So I had
yeah.
like whatever 480, 490, 520, 505 today. So I'm okay, and I don't even want to make more at this point.
Eh,
500 is relatively easy to make. Um, I say I don't want to say easy because it's not easy, but 500 it's realistic. I
Uh,
think realistic target. So
it's a
and
reachable number. Right. That's dope, man.
yeah,
Congrats. Let's go
but
for that first
thank
payout,
you.
man.
Yeah, but slowly I detached from the
Yeah.
payout. I'm just trying to stick with. I
Going
said
day by day.
myself, okay, 500 a day, 500 a day. That's it. I come close, I stop.
That's dope.
So and it's working, and it's working. You
Yeah.
maybe first 2 days I had a feeling that I'm missing out, on much more, and I got the opportunity to make, let's say, 1,000 or 1,500. But then I
Yeah.
was like, okay, I need to keep that consistency, making 1,000 or
Yeah.
1,500 a day, and with a 50K account, if I don't want to risk too much, that's then difficult to make, right?
Yeah. Yeah. And I think what's playing a role here is you're having that discipline and making the decision to just make what you said you're good for. You're good for the day, and that is it. Because
Yeah,
I mean, who knows? You could possibly make more, and
yeah,
possibly keep going because you think you're gonna, and then possibly just lose all your winnings of that night on
yeah,
just one trade. You know, so
exactly. Exactly.
and instead you're keeping your and doing the goal for the day on your just getting one step closer to that payout, bro. So
Yeah.
I think it's awesome, man. Let's go.
And funny part is I cannot like log the account, you know, so I really stay
Oh
away
wow.
from the account.
Yeah, that's
Account
awesome.
is open for the rest of the day, and right now it's like 8 in the morning, so I have the whole day to, you know,
Yeah.
to
Damn,
ruin that, but I just stay away. I log out and I don't touch it.
that's something to take in. That's something to take in count, bro. That you have all day and you don't touch it all. That's good.
Yeah, it's not evening, it's like early morning.
Because I remember the other like a few months or a month or two, whatever you say, like you're make it and you lose it, and that's
Yeah,
how you
it was
compensate.
always
Like
the same. Yeah. So I didn't have
yeah,
the issue with making it. I had issue with keeping it.
keeping them.
So I was
Yeah,
like, that cannot be that hard, that difficult. If I'm able to make it, I should be able to preserve it. So day
right.
4, doing well.
Let's go. Good shit, bro.
Yeah, thank you. And I was
Well,
thinking
you
I'm gonna go with 250, but profitable day on Apex is 250. So I was like, okay, let's make them 500.
profit of the day, so you gotta make a minimum of 250 on the Apex.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
you have to have 5 trading days. You have to have 5 profitable days, so more than 250, and you have to reach the target of 52,600
For a payout.
for to be eligible for a payout. Yes,
And 52,600, and how much of that can you request then?
that's a good question. I'm not sure,
Mm,
but that's why I say I detached from the outcome. I did not even. I don't even care.
yeah.
No.
I mean,
Prob-
just the fact that you'll get that first payout is already gonna be a huge, a
Yeah,
huge.
but I'm not saying anything until I get there. But I would like maybe next week to continue with this 500 a day, and then by the end of the week, um, I try to get a payout. I will see. But for now, the payout is not the goal. The goal is to make 500 a day and walk away.
Let's go, bro.
That's the goal.
We're on the right track, so right track.
As we spoke last week, it's possible, bro. We are doing it. So
No, I definitely know it's possible, man. Because like I said, I'm doing it here myself, and I mean, it's not like I don't know. It's nothing different. It's just the fear that kicks in whenever you actually have an account. See, like right here, I would have probably been trying to chase the up, like whenever it comes down, try to
you
go
would,
up,
yeah, yeah.
and no reason for it.
That happened to me yesterday with options. I told you I don't want to day trade any options, and then we had a pop up. Then I tried to long the top, and it was chopping, and I lost money. And I was like, "But this is coming down, you know." And then I tried to short, then it came a little bit higher, and I lost more. I was like, you know what? I will step away from the charts. I came back. We were all the way down to pre-market lows, and I was like, okay, we are losing pre-market lows now. I'm gonna try to short here. Then it bounced. Then I lost more money, and I was like, you know what? This was stupid because the whole week I've been doing great with futures. Now I lost money on options, so it made no sense. I think this was the last like um how do you say last day of that kind where I just do stupid things because I
When
was
you
like
just what? You cut off on that last.
No, no, it was just last day of that kind that I do that kind of stupid thing, you
Oh,
know. Um,
uh-huh.
because I was like, okay, I had the profits from day before, and I was like, okay, if I lose that, I will stop, but I did not stop, right? So,
Oh. Yeah. Something similar happened to me today, where I only made like $170 today, but I mean that was with me hardly being able literally to take out my phone today. So and I just like I constantly wanted to get in place, but I'm like, nah, I'm just gonna conserve I'm green for all week again. Thank God I'm doing good.
nice.
So gonna keep my gains, and that's what I did, man. I just
Yeah,
closed my damn view, and that's it. And then I kept my little gains. I mean, every day counts, bro. Little gains,
100%.
make up a week.
And how
Yeah,
much
so
money? I mean, I don't care, but 170 a day is not a
uh,
bad like.
my Monday, I'll tell you real quick. It's been my lowest week in the past month, but it's also been kind of a little bit of kind of harder to trade this week at work. So, but I made more, but then I kept at the end of the day. It was only $98 I made Monday. Tuesday I made like 340 something, and then today that 100 and like 60 something, 67 something like that. And yeah, that's been my week so far this week. Something
Yeah,
nothing crazy, but
doesn't sound
that's
bad.
nice.
It does not sound bad.
Yeah. My last week was like 1,500.
Nice.
So I said to myself, if I'm able to do that while at work, you know, I'm limited literally to being able to watch the charts and to the time I'm in my trades, because I leave a lot of money on the table because I see some profits, and I rather just take them than look away for and not being able to to
Mm.
just by the time I look, I'm probably down or something. So I'd rather just take what I have, and yeah, I leave a lot of money on the table a lot of the time. But it's better than not being able to pretty have not like have that assurance of what's gonna happen while I don't look at the charts.
Mm-hmm. And I love how
Yeah.
sometimes I make myself to step away from the chart, then I come back later after a few hours, and then I realize nothing actually happened. You
Yeah.
know, the opportunity just showed itself. It's not that I missed out on anything, and I think that's the mindset we have to keep. Not like, oh, I
Yeah.
missed this.
Imagine.
No, oh, okay, we did that, so we could do that now. You know, will we continue or will we reverse?
Now imagine we were in a trade right now. Look at all this shop.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 5 minutes,
Nothing
just
going on.
weeks everywhere.
Uh-huh. Yeah, there's absolutely no reason to be in a damn trade right here. Not no
Nope,
reason.
nope. It looks like it wants to go up, then it looks like it wants to come back down. FOMO in, FOMO out.
Mhm. Let me see what the 1 hour is looking like because we're getting close. We're getting close to the end of this hourly candle.
Oh, yeah, true.
So I start making a move in this next few minutes if we're gonna get any.
And 4 hour closes also in 5 minutes, so.
Oh, really? Okay.
But if we close like this, I think we are coming higher for the rest of the day. We might see a little bit lower, but we shouldn't take the this candle, this 4 hour candle low. So I don't think we
Mm.
should go below 28.525, something like that. What was the low of the candle?
Well, this
Five
4 hour
533.
to
the 4 hour came to test came to touch the 8 anime. I mean, yeah, that
Yeah, possibly because it's
the
very
8 for me,
close to,
and
yeah.
checked it.
And what?
I got the 80 MA sitting at 817.
Yeah, and the 9 MA is at 846. We almost touched it. So we'll definitely have some resistance here, but I see some bull dips on the 4 hours, so the bottom for
If
the
we come
day.
higher, I don't think we can come higher than 932. I don't think we go higher than or 940. To be because that's I got the 200 sitting there, and I got a level also at 932. That's my next level up from where we're at. Um.
Mm.
So if we come higher, and also unless we break, but that's the top of that would be roughly the top of the trend line. Um. On a higher time frame, I don't think we'll come up higher than that if we do push. That'd probably be the top, the top of the run up, unless
Mm.
we actually break through and.
Yeah, and do we have, wait, do we have Forex Factory? What day is today? 11. So we have PPI today, 1 hour before the market, so that will probably move the markets too.
We had data all week to this week,
And
huh?
yesterday was, I guess, bullish CPI.
Oh.
So if PPI comes good too, then we might see a move. But let's see. Let's see. Let's see. 1 minute until the hour close. Yeah, but I'm thinking now maybe I will buy maybe one more evaluation just to trade. I guess that's not the
Okay.
point. That's not the point. Point is to make money and have the rest of the day to do other things, right?
All
That
right.
would be the end goal.
Definitely, bro. Be with the family for me. That's that.
Yeah,
I don't even care to be. I mean, to be what you call rich. I just want to have literally financial freedom. Like
freedom,
what
yeah.
it's same thing. Be able to be with my family, my kids, enjoy my family. That's
That's financial freedom, bro. That's the goal.
trying to see what Donovan's up to right here on this chess game, man.
Oh, I did not check the games, I guess.
Oh, you're on vacation again. Whenever you want, I'll do a little 10-minute game if you're down for it. Cause I'm gonna get
uh,
off today, so I'm trying to get some sleep in because I've been sleeping like shit, man.
we can play one. We can. Actually, why not? Give me just a second. I'll be right back, and we can do one.
Yeah. Mm.
Alrighty then. All right. Who do we have? Okay, let's see what you're up for, friend. There you go.
And let me just set an alert in case I get filled in my short.
Got the request?
No, I was just setting an alert just in case I get filled for my short entry gets filled, just so it could alert me. All right.
But sometimes those alerts for me are lagging too much, so it doesn't
Really?
even make yes. But sometimes they pop up immediately. Sometimes they go off like 5 minutes later.
Mine's always pretty. Mine's
Mm.
mm, they're always on time for me. Never had a problem with
I,
anything.
I already I received the notification on my phone and not on the iPad or vice versa.
Hey, did you send the? You sent it? I
I did, but wait,
I
I will
thought
do it again. Well,
I thought I got it, but I don't see anything. Oh, there it is.
there you go. Oh my God, what the heck? I was focusing on the pawn.
On the
Okay,
play
no,
of it.
not the best way to start the game, but okay.
Huh. I don't know what the heck I did that for. Oof.
Hey, you guys still there?
We here, bro. We're here. Just fired up one chess game. The NQ is chopping around.
This
Not
is the
doing much.
craziest sideways
Yeah.
consolidation I've seen in some
In
time.
yeah, exactly. Yeah. But let's see, 1 hour until the London Open, so we could start moving.
Yeah, I think it's finally trying to come down now. I'm seeing the volume pick up.
And we just closed the 4 hour candle with the 1 hour candle, so um
I got stopped out though. Got stopped out of my short.
oh, okay. Yeah, I think we should see a clear break from highs or the lows of that 5 minute range that we made.
But at least we got an upgrade in the volume profile. There's more volume up here now, which is good. So that gives me confidence that maybe we won't go too low.
Yeah, I think if I look at the 4 hours, I think this looks like a nice bottom potentially. So now we just have to see what will happen.
Yeah, yeah, this lag is not trying to let me be great.
Wow.
I'm gonna fire up some trades on my tablet because this isn't it.
Oh, but it's too late, yeah.
Big lag. Big lag right now, bro. It's terrible. Okay, let's go to Apex. Apex.
Stop, Nicholas, man. Stop. I'm not gonna give it to you.
Yeah, this was a
Yeah, Los is getting good. I can't trick him with any simple stuff. I tried to play like a little move on him earlier and he caught right on, man.
hmm.
Apex.
Yeah, but yeah, yeah, I agree. And I'm getting
Uh,
also smoked, and then I keep doing stupid things like silly mistakes, man. No, I had an advantage. Now I just lost two pieces for nothing.
I got a notification. Does that mean they're coming down? That was probably my entry. That
Go check it.
is it looking like
Let me see.
no?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we are coming down a little
Yeah,
bit. Yeah,
that was
finally
probably
but
my entry.
look,
That
this
means
1 hour
short.
candle has no upper wick at all. The previous one
Yep,
has a minimal one, so
yep. I just checked. I'm in shorts. I got filled.
very nice. Very nice.
very nice.
Yeah, I think we could come down to like 600 or something. So it's a pretty nice drop from here. I'm trying to place a limit order, but my computer's going too slow to let me do it. So
Mm.
I can't even do that. Let me just get my infinite possibilities Apex. Very funny.
Yeah, infinite probabilities, but possibilities. But what are the probabilities?
Question. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of live traders. Okay, we were talking to the live traders. That was cool, man. Yeah, that interview was epic. That was with some of the best traders for real. Like these guys are everywhere now. Now that I see them, I recognize them. I see them everywhere.
What, that round table?
Yeah, the round
Yeah,
table.
yeah, that was really an epic session. Yeah, yeah.
But seeing those guys everywhere, so I'm really happy to know their strategies and like some of what they do. And okay, breakout.
I did not see that coming.
Captions. Wait, you have to pay their funded account fee on a monthly basis. It's
On
crazy.
Apex.
Yeah, I don't think that's true. I think it's a one-time fee.
Yeah, it
Oh
is.
no, because yeah, Apex gives you an option. You can pay a monthly fee or you can pay a one-time fee.
Yeah, one time. I went with one time.
Who would pay a monthly fee for a funded account? That sounds silly. What's the benefit? There is no benefit. Okay.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah.
Just log in.
Nice.
Oh, that's nice. I would have got wicked in right here. Let me go. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on, back up. Oh, it's going so slow. I can't. I can't. Let me in. Let me in. Man, that's crazy. I could have got in on 2 or 3 accounts right here. That would have been nice. No. Okay. It's all good. I'm just gonna log in on another device. All right, I'm in. Just
Order filled.
it's way too slow.
I just messed up everything here.
Oh, okay.
Stop
Carlos
filled.
wants to play me in a 10 minutes. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
I'm not trying to say anything, man.
But
He's
I
trying
heard
to play. He's trying to play us, bro.
trying to play us, bro. Carlos thinks he's hot shit.
uh,
Yeah. Okay, let me see.
oh man, I
Into
messed
trade.
And look, no, I don't take.
up.
Ah,
Guess you
okay.
don't.
Well, it's too early. It's too early for that.
That's crazy. So we swept the lows and now we're
Mm.
going higher.
Yeah, I mean, 4 hours looks bullish, man. At
It's
least
so
in my
crazy
opinion.
because we swept the highs and then we swept the lows.
Yeah, and notice what Spy tricked me yesterday, and what it did it was at the beginning of the session, it took the pre-market high,
Yeah.
it closed above, then it came down all the way to pre-market lows, and then it
Yeah.
bounced up again.
Yeah.
So complete BS.
Yeah, it tricked me too. I was up 2,500 on a trade and I was like, oh, this thing's about to blast off. And then
Mm-hmm.
it came all the way back down. And I was like, by the time I got out of my trade, I only made 900 on that trade. I was pissed off.
Mm.
They tricked me. Oh, they tricked me really good too. Okay, this looks really bullish.
It does.
We're up like 190 points for the session, which apparently that's the new normal now. We're doing like
Yeah.
two to 1,000 point sessions, 200 to 1,000 point sessions now.
Yeah, crazy. Completely crazy.
It's a good problem to have.
Mm-hmm.
What are we talking about? Look at the 15-minute. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Okay. So everything is clear now. I see what we're doing. There's a pen
Clearly now the rain is gone.
rain gone. There is a bullish pennant that just played out perfectly on the 15-minute. So now next time we touch the 15-minute 9 EMA, I'm in. That's at 7:39 right now. Okay. How many contracts am I looking at here? Okay, let's start with that.
Aw, man. That is.
He got me, bro. He got me, and then we played now like repeated moves, and it ended up with a draw. So
That's crazy.
that's crazy. Like
Which
long,
one of
short,
you?
short, long.
Which one of you guys? I was playing one of y'all, and I had a queen that I had two queens, and it ended up a draw. I forget which one of you guys it was.
I think it was me.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm not
yeah.
sure, but I think it was me.
All right, I got next, man. What's going on? Probably gonna play two games and call it a night or something.
Yeah. Oh, checkmate. Garcia checkmated me here. The next one is against you, but somehow I don't know if it's me or you, but you have guys like I learned some openings, like just couple of them, and whenever I play with you, everything ends up like it plays out differently. So I don't know if it's you or is it me or what the heck, but
Oh,
somehow it's
so I'm not.
different, different chess.
I definitely know. I had a friend that I didn't even know about openings, and then a friend taught me about openings, and I was like, "Oh, that's what people are
Oh,
doing."
yeah.
Yeah, man, it made a big difference in my game, and now I only do the London Open.
Hmm.
That's like,
London is good if you know how to play it, and the opponent does not know how to protect himself from the London Open. But look what I did. Oh, okay, I almost.
15-minute pennant right here. I think I'm
Order
gonna short
filled.
it. I am a crazy man shorting this pennant because it could break out, but I'm gonna short this pennant, and then I think I chose a good time to do it. Let's see.
If you're watching, tell us where are you watching from? What are you trading? Are you trading anything?
Okay, we got 11. All right, let's go. Yeah, I think if this is really what I think it is, then we're gonna come down to the bottom of the range and go a little bit lower. Then we'll come to the top of the range and break out. But we might already have swept the lows. I just don't believe that yet.
So remember, I moved my entry higher, Nick.
Mm-hmm.
If I would have left it originally where I had it, I I wouldn't got filled, and then this happened. I'm down like 600 right here. So um, my original entry was where I should have left it. Never should have moved it.
Yeah, the market plays on your patience for sure. It'll do that. Uh, okay, I could go there. Why would I go there? I could go there. Could go there, and then he can go there.
They're just doing this because this was the obvious entry from that little head and shoulders that we were doing, and then there was a obviously there was probably a lot of orders right there.
Yeah, so they're squeezing it. They're squeezing it, but I'm short right now.
Yeah,
Short
yeah.
28,768.
I believe we were eventually gonna come down. Just filling people out. Whoever got in there.
Order filled.
What just happened just now? Did I just get stopped out?
The price is not
Bro,
even moving.
no way, bro. Somehow they just, oh my gosh. That's crazy.
Well,
Wait, did it
where
hit my
was
profit? I don't know if it hit take profit or if it hit my stop. That's weird. I think I hit my profit, my take profit. Okay, that was
it's
weird.
a better option, but you really just sculpted, huh?
Yeah, I just scalped it. I hit the top. I scalped the top. and wrote it down and made my money.
But
Wait,
look at this move.
that wasn't 75 points. What's going on here? How many points do I have? Oh, that's why. Okay. It seemed weird, but I have different settings on Ninja Trader than I do on my actual thing. That's
Okay.
why.
Not the worst thing that can happen.
Exactly. I was like, why am I taking profit at $30? That doesn't make sense. Okay, well, it was actually a good thing because now price is going back.
Yeah.
It's cool. Do I need to challenge someone? Are you guys still playing?
No, you can challenge.
I'm challenging
I'm
someone.
trying to figure out this one software that I took subscription for, but it's okay, maybe I should try to do it on the laptop. Oh, we seems like we are pushing now finally.
Finally. What the fuck? No way, bro. What am
Hey,
I
Vic,
smoking?
what are you
Oh,
smoking?
what am I smoking, bro? That's crazy. I let that craziness just happen. Okay, let's try that. Playing a game with no queen now.
Hope it's not against me because I don't see how can I take it.
Gotta love the pullback. Okay. Good time to go
Order
long,
filled.
man. I
What
think.
the? What? Or not me know that.
Yeah, be like that sometimes, bro. Be like that sometimes, Brody. Just out here moving anything, huh?
Definitely did not mean to move that, bro.
Mhm. Mm. Darn you, Carlos. What's up with you not falling for my tricks, bro? It's not fair. Mm-hmm. Oh, wait a minute. I noticed that. Hmm. I do that.
I don't like when you do something like that too obvious, man. Just because you want to do something. You're up to something.
Always up to something.
Well.
Mister, I'm not taking the obvious move because it's too obvious.
Well, obvious, man. I don't like too obvious things. It's like I don't like too things that are too easy, man. So yeah.
Mm.
Well.
Well,
No
well,
way.
well.
Mm. Carlos is in the zone today. You got to watch out for this guy.
Mm-hmm. But look, I'm just looking at NQ. It, it's not doing anything. So
Still going sideways.
we really caught a nice trade early on, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, nothing happened since then.
Yeah, well, that bounce off the 90 EMA, that was all we got. Since then, we got to bounce off the bottom Bollinger Band, and
Mhm.
that's about it. So I'm just trading with a wide stop and, yeah, scalping whatever I can get, which isn't much. Wait a minute. Oh, that's me. Okay, I was about to say, like, Yeesh.
Order filled.
You hear this or you don't hear anything?
Hear what?
Okay, okay.
Okay, cool. Noise cancellation's working hard, isn't it?
No, I'm just checking if I play something, do you hear it or not? Because I don't want, YouTube
Oh,
to.
Donovan, why?
Yeah, that was terrible, right? Nah, I gotta redeem myself, bro. That was terrible.
Oh man, I know. Ah man, fine. Last one before I go to sleep.
Last one, bro. Yeah, get sleepy. Get sleepy.
I told Nicholas I was want to do one before I go to sleep. That was it,
Yeah.
but man.
I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you because yeah, I can't go out like that, bro. Yo, Carlos was up like 20 points on me.
It's a good trade.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. He's getting trading numbers out here. It's crazy. Your boy is out here doing trading numbers, and we out here trying to play chess. Yeah, Carlos, your speed score is high as fuck. I don't know a lot of people with a speed score that high.
What does that mean?
There's different scores in chess.com. You get a score for rapid games and you get a score for games that, are like multiple days, and you get an overall score and all that stuff and a puzzle score.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, your speed chess game is pretty good. Hmm, interesting. Where'd that go? Hmm. We came close to my stop. So close to my stop. And didn't stop. All right. About to hit another TP.
Not bad.
Mm-hmm. Okay, it's playing around by this TP.
Order filled.
There it is. Okay. Mm-hmm.
You have a question. Can you explain why you enter short, please?
Who's Carlos? I'm not in short.
Who's in short then? You so you had a long now.
I had a long, but I just took profit.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I am in short from earlier when we broke that that head and shoulders pattern.
I guess I don't know if this comment came in late then or what.
Oh, that's what someone was asking.
Yeah. No, I see we have only one viewer and that's probably me, so I don't know.
Makes sense. Makes dollars. Hmm. Mm-hmm.
I thought you were just gonna move your king and you were gonna be fine. But thank you.
Nah, you could still take in the jump. Could have still took the rook. Oh, I could have moved it up. True,
Yeah,
true,
you could
true.
have moved and you would have been fine. But now you just gave me
I
two,
just gave you a rook.
two actually.
I don't know about that.
Mm.
Still could
Mm.
do that.
Okay, okay.
It just give you the pawn though. So there's that. There's that.
Uh, is that an offer for your king? Let me see if I want your queen. Let's do it then.
Right? No queens. I
No
mean, you
queen.
are up on pieces. You got a rook. You got a rook and a few pawns. So got a little advantage.
Nothing crazy.
And this thing kept pushing too.
Yeah, why did we have a short? We did not have a short. So earlier we had a short because everything looked like it's coming down and we kept rejecting the 5 minute EMAs, right? That was the whole point of the short. Mhm.
Oh,
You're having fun.
Mhm. Something like that. Something like that's going
uh, that's funny. Damn.
close. Close, but no cigar.
Ah, that is bullshit.
I couldn't go anywhere. I was
Uh,
trying to win by time. Oh, it's crazy.
what I was trying to do is take you all the way down and then get you with my.
With
Is
the
it the
Bishop
is it called
Queen?
the one that you took the last one? The last
The Rook. Yeah, the Rook.
yeah, I was trying to get you there, on the power and just get you with my queen in that one, but then I messed up and you got my rook and then that went away.
Yeah, when you got the Rook and the when you got two Rooks or a Rook and a Queen, you just got to get them on the
Yeah,
edge and just
that's what I was
two
trying to do,
piece
yeah.
them.
But then I made the wrong move and then I was hoping you didn't see it.
Tisk, tisk, tisk.
All
Well,
right. Well,
you
I
still
feel
got
pretty
me.
good because a win and a draw against you. That's I went undefeated this night, man. So I'm all right. I can go to sleep fine.
Yeah, man, he's going to sleep pretty good tonight. He beat me and Nick. All right, cool. Yeah, and the stream went
That's
pretty good. Wasn't really an amazing session. We really went sideways most of the session. So
No.
appreciate y'all for tuning in. It's hopefully a little bit more action tomorrow, or a New York session for you. So just remember the price of patience is less than the price of regret.
Yes, sir.
sure.
Maybe I can have my computer back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Share this with somebody you think they would benefit from seeing our setups and our, patience and all these things. Like the video if you haven't already, and see you guys tomorrow.